Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this integral look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds by breaking the expression into smaller, much more manageable, simple parts. First, use the linearity property to split the integral of the sum into the sum of two separate integrals, the integral of f of x and the integral of 1. Next, find the area under f of x. The shape is a trapezoid below the x-axis, so the integral value is negative. Base 1 is 3, base 2 is 7, height 2. Finally, integrate the constant 1 over the interval length of 7. Adding this to our previous result gives the final value of negative 3. You got this! Great work! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't drop the constant or ignore negative area. Use linearity and check the interval length.